Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. If you're looking for the best cheap electric bike, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 best cheap electric bike according to price, quality, durability, and much more. If you want to know the updated price and other information, be sure check my description below. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jetson Bolt Adult Folding Electric Bike. With the maximum range of 15 miles, the Jetson Bolt is the perfect electric ride-on for adults to explore your neighborhood, or enjoy your commute all on a single battery charge. The aluminum alloy frame is lightweight and sturdy, supporting up to 250 pounds and made for everyday use. This folding scooter is perfect for commuting or running errands, and can easily be stored in a car trunk or closet. With its powerful motor of 250 watt and large lithium battery, the Bolt can handle hills and rough terrain with ease. Added on, it has lightweight built-in carrying handle, foot pegs, LCD display, LED headlight, and many more. Number 2. Swagtron Swagcycle EB5 Folding Electric Bike. This electric bike already comes pre-assembled, so you won't have to waste time with complicated assembly and foreign bike parts. The height of this bike is adjustable for both adults and teens. A pair of air-filled rubber tires with quick disconnect power lines ensure better traction and easy tire maintenance. Also, its 14-inch wheels will give you a better ride down even on the sloppy road. Moreover, it has 15.5-mile range. The EB5's foldable bike frame can accommodate riders up to 264 pounds and folds 3 times, so it fits inside compact vehicles, under desks, on subways and in other small spaces. Number 3. NACTO Electric City E-Bike for Adults. NACTO electric bikes are the perfect way to get around town. They're environmentally friendly, quiet, and easy to use. The Electric City E-Bike from NACTO is perfect for adults who want to enjoy the benefits of an electric bike without breaking the bank. This affordable e-bike features a 250W motor and 36 volts 10Ah large capacity lithium battery that gives you plenty of power to zip around town. Its top speed is 20 miles per hour. Riding range varies from 15 miles in pure power mode to 30 miles in pedal assistant mode. The larger 26 inches tires are for riding with less effort. With the 6-speed transmission system, you can choose any speed according to your needs. The LED headlight that and dual V brakes fully protect your safety. Also, the aluminum alloy material is for better durability. More to come, the LCD display shows battery and 3 assist levels that together allow you to read your statistics with ease. In addition to that, the bike comes up with 3 working mode. Number 4. TOTGuard 27.5 Electric Bike for Adults. Looking for a fast and easy way to get around town? Check out the TOTGuard 27.5 Electric Bike for Adults. The larger 27.5 tires are for riding with less effort. Lockable aluminum suspension fork for less bumpy on rough roads. Its front and rear reflectors, LED headlights and dual disc brakes are for safe riding. And the aluminum alloy material offers better durability. While the ABS LCD display shows battery, 3 assist levels, mileage, voltage, speed, and using time, allowing you to read your statistics with ease. What's more, the bike comes with 3 working modes: pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, and normal bike mode. The battery is removable and your bike will remain lightweight. Moreover, its top speed is 21.6 miles per hour. Also, the bike comes up with a built-in 48 volts 10Ah rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Number 5. Ecotric Beginner Electric Bike. The Ecotric Beginner Electric Bike is a great way to get around town. It folds up for easy storage, and has a powerful 500W gear motor. The bike has a range of 19-21 miles in pure electric mode and 33-36 miles in pedal mode. The maximum speed by default is 20 miles per hour. The removable battery allows you to install it while in use, avoiding the risk of theft. The enhanced anti-skidding and wear-resistant tires that adapt to snow, sand and other complex topography. The front and rear mechanical disc brakes bring you peace of mind. It comes with lightweight and strong aluminum alloy frame. The overall ergonomic design of the electric bike body is comfortable and easy to ride. The shock suspension is decidenged on this electric bike seat. So folding function is not only on the stem and the frame but also the seat. Each bike comes with a 18 months warranty against manufacturing defects in materials or workmanship on its frame, battery, motor, controller, and display. You'll receive 2 packages that include an electric bike and a set of front and rear lights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this content helpful. Hit the bell icon to get a notification as soon as I publish more videos. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions regarding these products. I will be in touch with you as soon as possible.